Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, The Hungry Young Man. It's been a while since we shared any chaat recipe, so today we will be learning how to make Pani Puri or Phuchka. This recipe will be divided into 3 parts, so let's see how to make the Pani for the Pani Puri. Into a blender, add mint leaves, coriander leaves, ginger, cumin seeds, chili, green chili, tamarind, and water. We'll have to grind this into a thick mixture or a thick paste. You can change the quantity of green chilies depending upon how spicy you need your pani to be. Once the mixture is ground, we'll have to strain it using a strainer. By adding water. Once the mixture is strained, we'll throw out this residue. Now to this pani, we'll add 2 spoons of black salt or 1 full tablespoon of black salt. We'll add a pinch of chaat masala, and our pani for the pani puri is ready. Let's see how to make the filling masala for our pani puri. Take boiled and smashed potato. Add chopped onions. Cumin powder. Red chili powder. Coriander powder. White pepper powder, chaat masala, black salt or kala namak, table salt, we'll mix this. We'll add a spoonful of pani and we'll mix this, and our filling masala is ready. Let's see how to make sweet chutney. In a pan, take the seedless tamarind, seedless dates and water. Cook for about 8 to 9 minutes on a low flame. Add powdered or grated jaggery and stir. Let the jaggery dissolve and the mixture thicken a bit. Add all the spice powders like cumin powder, Kashmiri lal mirch, salt, sugar, and simmer for 1 to 2 minutes more. Once the chutney mixture is ready, let it cool. Grind this mixture and strain it as we did with our pani, with or without adding water. And our sweet chutney is ready. Now for the final part of Pani Puri. If you would like us to teach you how to make these perfect puris, please leave a comment below. All the items needed for the Pani Puri are ready. Stuff the filling masala inside the puri. Dip the puri in the pani until it fills up to the brim. Add sweet chutney as and when needed. Make sure you have a bowl handy. Please leave a like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Press the red button to subscribe, which is absolutely free of cost. Press the bell icon if you don't want to miss our videos. Share the video link with your friends and family. Do follow us on Instagram and TikTok. The handle names are given on the screen. Signing out for now. We'll meet you with another interesting recipe. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.